Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy XCover7 Pro, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down to find general management. Then we have to scroll down and find this reset option. Let's tap on it. Scroll down and localize the option Reset Mobile Network Settings or Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. So as you can see, it is divided in this device. So you can basically decide which part of the network you'd like to reset. And basically it looks the same in both options. So just tap on the option Mobile Network Settings, for example, tap on Reset Settings, confirm everything with your screen lock. And here your device is informing you, is first of all asking you if you really want to do it, because you cannot undo this action, and be aware because it really depends on the network required settings, and you might not be able to connect to your mobile network anymore. So be aware about that and be really careful. So just tap on reset and network settings were reset successfully. For sure, much safer option, let's say, is to reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. So just tap on it. Again, you cannot undo this action. Your device will basically forget all of previously connected Wi-Fi and Bluetooth devices. So just tap on reset settings, and here we've got the information. We just did it successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.